Are AI apps quietly taking over jobs? Today we are diving into 5 surprising use cases where AI is outperforming humans. Could your job be next? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back to AI Switch, your go-to channel for AI trends and tools. If you are curious about how AI is reshaping our world, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now let's go to video. Use case 1 is content writing. First up, content creation. Tools like Jasper and Writesonic are crafting entire blog posts, marketing copy, and even social media captions. Imagine being a freelance writer and I can deliver 10 articles in the time it takes you to write one. Is this the end for content writers? Use case 2 is customer support. Next, customer service. Platforms like ChatFuel and LivePerson are using AI chatbots to handle customer queries 24/7 with instant responses. As an example, instead of hiring multiple support agents, companies now rely on AI to reduce costs and increase efficiency. But what does that mean for entry-level support jobs? Use case 3 is graphic design. Apps like Midjourney and Canva now let anyone create professional-looking visuals with minimal effort. For small businesses, AI tools offer budget-friendly alternatives to hiring a graphic designer. Could this cut into freelance designers' income? Use case 4 is data analysis. Data analysis used to require advanced skills. Now, AI tools like DataRobot and Monkeylearn can analyze massive datasets and generate insights without human input. Instead of paying for a full-time data analyst, companies are automating the process. But can AI match the strategic thinking of a human analyst? Use case 5 is video editing. Finally, video editing. AI tools like Descript and Pictory can edit entire videos, add captions, and even replace voiceovers in minutes. As an example, imagine being a video editor, and AI can now do in 10 minutes what took you hours. Will AI put editors out of work? So, can AI replace these jobs? The answer is yes and no. While AI can handle repetitive tasks, it still lacks creativity, empathy, and critical thinking, the skills that make humans irreplaceable. Which job do you think AI will disrupt next? Drop a comment below, and let's discuss. And if you are fascinated by impacts of AI, subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.